Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi S3 spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a 5/8-inch spark plug socket, a torque wrench, and a gap tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and potential damage to components. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before you begin any electrical work. This simple step protects both you and your vehicle's sensitive electronics. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which usually just pulls straight up. Once the cover is off, you'll see the ignition coil packs. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil pack by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, use a specialized coil pack puller tool to gently remove each coil pack from its housing. This prevents damage to the coils or the wiring. Now it's time to replace the spark plugs themselves. Using your 5/8-inch spark plug socket and an extension, carefully unscrew and remove each old spark plug. Before installing the new ones, ensure they are correctly gapped to the manufacturer's specification, typically 0.28 inches for the Audi S3. Gently hand-thread the new plugs into place to avoid cross-threading, then use your torque wrench to tighten them to 22 foot-pounds. To finish up, carefully reinstall the ignition coil packs, ensuring they click firmly into place, and then reconnect their electrical connectors. Replace the engine cover, making sure it's seated properly. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. You've successfully changed your Audi S3 spark plugs. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.